How to add age verification to your Shopify website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or add age verification to your Shopify website, and also it can be applied to another website. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here. You can click on it. And then in the online store page, you can navigate to the edit theme here, click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. So this is my website editor. So let's say I want to add the edge verification in the homepage. I'm gonna add new section here in the template page. You can click add section, and then you can search custom liquid. This one, you can click on it. And now you have to put the code, the HTML code. So in order to get the code, you can go to elfsive.com, this one, and then you can sign up for an account. After that, you can click explore widget here. And as you can see, you will find a lot of widgets here. Now you can search for edge verification. This one, you can click on it. And then as you can see, you can create widget for free. Click on that button. And now you can choose the template or the style. So maybe you want like this, or like this, or like this. It's up to you, you know. So maybe I will choose this one. So I'm gonna click continue. And then you can customize it. You can set it up. You can set the minimum age. It's up to you. And also the verification method, you can choose it, and then you can remember visitor, yes or no, and for how long, and also the underage action and something like that. You can explore here. After that, you can just click add, and then this is the preview. As you can see, it's perfect. If you think all good, you can just click publish here, and then you can pick a plan. I'm gonna choose the free one, and now you will get the code here. You can just click copy code. After that, you can go back to your website editor and then paste the code here. Paste the code, wait for a few seconds until it appears. So this is the edge verification widget. It's perfect. And you can try another template or style. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.